people that get saved rarely come to the aid of the person that saved them when all the other people that have killed their families, etc.
What's up?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Gaming with Scott. I'm here with Rico, Marty, and Josh. I'm here with Rico, Marty, and Josh.
Boo.
The item in your pocket goes. Brrr.
Hello.
You pull out the button for the Arkonoide, and written in conversational Arkonoide, scrolling across the thing now that it's lit and you press the button, it says, Kellen's space is off limits to members of the Arkonoide Empire. Please leave Kellen's space immediately.
Great.
Thanks.
Yeah, that call button is certainly worth selling the planet in slavery.
And that'll do us tonight for Gaming with Scott. We thank you. We love you. Listen to us real soon.